Hey everyone, Mrs. Norris here. So, most of you are working on your digital Westward Movement ABC book and had some questions about citing your sources, which is one of the requirements for this activity. So, if you look down at the example here, you can see that we have a link to the cited page and then we have a citation. And these are two different things. So, I'm going to show you an example of that right here. Okay. So, I would be adding the link over here and I would be adding the citation over here. Okay, so to add the link, and here's the article where I found my information about this person, John O'Sullivan. So the title of this is An American Journalist Explains Manifest Destiny. So I want to have that be the text for my link. So again, I'm going to use the title of the page where I found the information. Now, let's say I found it on Wikipedia. I may put instead Wikipedia John O'Sullivan. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this. And then I'm going to paste it. But I want it to look like my other text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to use my paintbrush tool and I'm going to copy that formatting and I'm going to apply it to the other one. Now it's too big, so I'm going to make it smaller. And this is going to be the text that I use to link the page. So now I'm going to go back to, so you can see that the title of the page is still highlighted. So what I do next is going to apply to that title. And I'm going to go back to the page and now I'm going to highlight the web address. And I'm going to copy the web address. And I'm going to go back over here and in this area where the page name is, I'm going to click on it. You have to make sure that that is highlighted. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to right click and I'm going to add a link. Okay. And then I'm going to paste that web address and I'm going to hit apply. Okay. Now it's changed the color and that's fine because that lets me know as your teacher that you have actually linked the correct page or linked a page. And when I come over here and click on it, then I should go to that page. An American Journalist Explains Manifest Destiny. So that's linking the page. Let's look at citing it. So now what I need to do is add a citation. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Canvas and I'm going to scroll up to that instruction and we have citation for the definition. So copying and pasting our link into the citation generator. So I'm going to click on that and it will take me to the citation generator. And I'm going to click on website because that's where I found my information. And I'm going to, again, copy and then paste. And then hit my magnifying glass to search. That is the correct page that I need. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. There's my title, there's the URL. They don't have really any other information, and that's not my responsibility. All I really need is when I access that information and the URL and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and cite the source. And if I don't have any other information, then there's not much more that I can add. Okay. Now, if I were citing the name of the website, so I do actually have that information. The name of the website is Social History for Every Classroom. So I'm going to go back. Social History for Every Classroom. So at least I have that information. And I'm going to click Unknown Author. And I'm going to see if it will cite for me this time. Okay, so now I have a citation. I'm going to copy it and then go back and paste it. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing I did before and I'm going to format it so it's like this text. Okay, it's still too big, so I want to make it smaller so it fits in the box, and I need it to be black so I can read it. Okay. So that's the difference between linking a page and showing a citation. And we want to make sure that we link the page so that we show that we actually did the research, and then we cite the page so we show where our research came from. Okay. So if there's anything in this that you missed, make sure that you watch it again before you continue on. If you have questions after you've tried to watch it a couple of times, please raise your hand and I will be happy to help you with this task.